think we've seen a beautiful premiere like this ever before. It's recreating Jaisalmer magic here. What do you have to say today?
It's wonderful. I think Mr. Chopra has always been known to be a person who, believes in the details, and I'm glad he's, done the same for his premiere. He's recreated Rajasthan for you, and it looks beautiful. I'm still waiting to look around the place, but I'm extremely excited. I see a lot of red. Set has a lot of our set decor had a lot of red in it, so it's.
आप अपने किरदार के बारे में अगर हमें थोड़ी सी झलक दे दें.
किरदार के बारे में मैं ज़्यादा कुछ कहूँगी नहीं फ़िलहाल, क्योंकि फिल्म रिलीज़ होनी है कल और फिर आप सब जाके देखिए. पर यही कहूँगी कि मेरी हमेशा से तमन्ना थी कि मैं विधु विनोद चोपड़ा के डायरेक्शन के अंडर काम करूँ, और मैंने उनके साथ बतौर प्रोड्यूसर 2 फिल्म किए थे, पर इस फिल्म के साथ मेरी वो ख्वाहिश पूरी हुई है. और सबसे ख़ास बात यही है कि मुझे लगता है कि किसी ने मुझसे पूछा कि आपको क्या लगता है एकलव्य विल इट बी अ हिट. मैंने कहा इंशाल्लाह हिट होगी. But I think the most important thing that Mr. Chopra believes in, which all his films speak of, is quality. It's a certain aesthetic which is very rare in today's times. So I'm just glad to be part of that kind of cinema.
You had a different look in Parinita. You were a totally Bengali girl, and here you're a total Rajput girl. How did you manage the difference in looks? कैसा लगा आपको जब आप राजस्थानी कपड़ों में आई एकदम?
इसमें बहुत लोगों का कंट्रीब्यूशन होता है. कॉस्ट्यूम डिज़ाइनर, हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट, मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, और फिर उस सेटिंग में जाके हम अपने आप को देयर आर फ्यू थिंग्स दैट वन डज टू प्रिपेयर फॉर अ रोल. जैसे उन लोगों का बॉडी लैंग्वेज बहुत ही अलग होता है, तो उन सब चीज़ों के लिए थोड़ा सा मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया और थोड़ा सा पूछा उन लोगों से कि कैसा होता है, और फिर मैंने किया है थोड़ा बहुत. आप देख के बताइएगा कि I love the music. And Chandare Chandare has Raima Sen, Saif and me, and it's wonderful. I think that's another thing when you belong to a Vinod Chopra film. The music is always great, and I'm happy.
I think you were the only woman
it's
among.
so soulful. It's so calming. I keep listening to it all the time. Yeah.
Yeah, you're the only woman among all the men. Like, how was being? Were you so much pampered also? Like,
Raima and me were the 2 women on the sets, and yes, we were pampered. Anyway, for both of us, it's like Vinod Chopra Productions is home ground where we are pampered all the time. So, and all the more because we were the only 2 women here, और भी हमें बिगाड़ा जा रहा था.
And how about being the woman in white today with all the men dressed in black?
Yeah. I didn't quite observe that, but now that you're bringing it to my notice, I just like white. I enjoy white, which is why I wear it for most of my special occasions. And
was there any particular occasion that you remember during the shooting of the film that you really go back with the same memories, a prank or something that happened?
No, lots of those things happened, but more importantly, I think Devika, the setting was so beautiful, and it's a certain old world charm combined with the contemporary. That's the palace, which has been restored into a resort today, speaks of, and it's just beautiful. The moment I hear Chandare, for some reason I'm transported back. I can almost smell the place.
And what would you say about the Royal Guard's look, especially?
I think that Mr. Bachchan and Mr. Chopra would be best talking about. I love the look. And that's all I'd say about it.
When Mr. Bachchan said for you, when you were in Parinita, he couldn't take his eyes off you. How is it now that you've worked with him?
It's humbling to be sharing space with him, screen space with him. Though I hardly do it in about half a scene, but it's humbling nonetheless. And I'm sure in the future, inshallah, I will get more opportunities to work with him.
Thank you so much, Vidya. All the best.